Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update problem in Windows 10 computer. When Windows 10 updates got stuck downloading, fail with specific error codes or cause endless install loops, this will fix your issue. The first issue fixing is you need to run the Windows update troubleshooter. To do that, click on the start menu, go to setting, scroll down and go to update and security, go to troubleshoot section. Click on additional troubleshooters, scroll down and find Windows update troubleshoot option. Okay, click on that one, click on run the troubleshooter, and it will take some time and it will detect the problems that your computer currently having, and it will automatically give the instruction to fix that issue. If that was not working, you need to flush the corrupted update cache that is in the software distribution folder. So first you need to go to start menu, search bar, tap on CMD, right click on it, click on run as administrator. Once it is opened, you need to stop the background update services by just type net space stop space WUAUSERV and hit enter. Once it is done, again you need to type net stop CRYPT capital SVC like this, hit enter. Again you need to type net stop BITS, hit enter. Finally you need to type net stop MSI server, hit enter. Now you need to minimize the command prompt and open your file explorer like this. Or you can just go to this PC and you need to navigate the C drive, Windows folder, software distribution folder in here like this. Select all the files in this folder and you need to here Windows, go to software distribution folder, you need to select all and you need to right click on it, select the delete option to delete, and once you delete that one, you can close this one. If it is not working, you need to repair Windows image file using SFC and DISM commands. To do that, you need to open command prompt as an administrator. Then you need to type SFC space / scan now like this and hit enter. Once the process is done, you need to type DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. You need to type exactly like this and hit enter. When the process is complete, you need to restart your computer. And the next fix is, if this also not working, you need to check your storage space. So you need to go to this PC and check your C drive. Is there any space remaining for the Windows updates? If it is shows red color, that means your Windows update can't install because the C drive is already filled. So you need to remove the files from the C drive to update the new Windows installation files. So I hope you got the understanding about the issue, and you will fix the issue using this method, and subscribe my channel.